So today let's talk about how thermal stability of metal nitrates, nitrate 5s, how they change along the reactivity series. Now, again, let's repeat the most important relationship that we will use in this discussion of reactivity series compounds, all right? So do remember, the more reactive the metal, the more stable its compound. Less reactive a metal, and therefore the less reactive its compound is going to be. Now, how do we demonstrate this stability? It's actually quite simple. How much does it break down when you give it a fair amount of thermal energy to help it do a decomposition? How much does it break down? So this is one of the key things that you can look out for. Then the other thing that you can look at is the end product when it breaks down. How much of the original compound gets retained? How completely does it let go when it breaks down? All these are all going to be pointing towards exactly how much stability that metal nitrate actually has. So let's now first start with the first two metals, which are our two most reactive metals, potassium and sodium. Potassium and sodium being the two most reactive metals, their nitrates therefore should be and are the most stable of all the nitrates. So what happens when you actually heat them up nicely? And let me just tell you, the heating is not a Wasizo warm-up kind of heating, no. It's a very strong flame, persistent heating, and you got to keep it there until a change happens. It's going to take a while. So once you finish heating it and it starts to change, what you will see is that there could be a small reduction in the size of the pile of solids, right? Small reduction in the pile of solids. And from potassium and sodium nitrate 5, it now gets chemically changed to a slightly lower version, which is potassium and sodium nitrate 3. All right, instead of an NO3 minus, it becomes an NO2 minus. And the only thing that these nitrate 5s actually let go is just oxygen. So this is to demonstrate to you how stubborn and how stable sodium and potassium, or rather potassium and sodium nitrates actually are. On strong, persistent, heavy-duty heating, the best that they will do is, I will still retain most of the nitrates, but I give you a little bit of oxygen. Don't say don't have, right? So that's what happens to the two most stable nitrate 5s. Now, please click like if you understand what I've said, and do subscribe to my channel so that I can see you more regularly. Bye.